Hi, and welcome to MarineMax of Westbrook, Connecticut. My name is Fred Aberley, and today we're going to do a walkthrough of a Boston Whaler 315 Conquest. This boat down below has ample room for entertaining for a family. It's able to sleep four people comfortably in a V-berth forward, as well as two berths that are back aft underneath the deck cockpit. Within the cabin itself, you have a full-size head to which you can also shower in. On the opposite side of the boat, you have a sink and stovetop and a microwave. And then we'll stop. Above deck in the helm area, we feature a joystick piloting device, which is a great feature to have when docking the boat. There's a Raymarine VHF radio. The electronics package on this boat can be put in by the owner, so you can select whatever kind of radar or GPS system you'd like, any kind of interface. The boat comes with a Mercury Vessel View program. The area up on the deck here has plenty of room again for entertaining, reading, relaxing. The Conquest is built as an overnight boat. It has 46 gallons of fresh water, a refrigerator, and as you look back aft, you can see that there's ample room and places for fishing rods. She's powered by twin Mercury Verado V8 300 horsepower engines. Her fuel capacity is 290 gallons. So that gives you plenty of range for New England coastal fishing and cruising. You can go from New York City up to Block Island. You can go from Newport, Rhode Island to Nantucket. Wherever you wish, this boat is designed to take you. A sure shade option is also included to make the comfort and enjoyment for you and your family even better. My name again is Fred Aberley. We're with MarineMax of Westbrook, located at 627 Boston Post Road. Our phone number is 860-399-5581. Thanks for watching.